Well, we got another little batch of carvings finished up. Some little Christmas trees. A little handful of welcome bears. Bunch of blue jays. I sure am glad Mom's the painter. There was a lot of painting this time. Of course, I helped out a little bit since it was so much. Red birds. Flag eagle. And a little snowman sitting there all by himself. I still gotta put the ribbon on him. Oh, I'll have some more stuff up here pretty soon. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Till next time.